With multiple income streams that I have, I have to be more intentional about kung saan ko sila ina-allocate, about
Correct.
budgeting, saving, and eventually investing.
Hello mga ka-Investies and welcome to the second season of Hashtag Money Series by BPI Wealth. And I'm your host and Investie JM. And for today, we are very excited to talk with our guest, Gian Hinolan.
Hi!
Ayan. Hello, Gian.
Hello.
So, mga ka-Investies, Gian is a self-proclaimed raketera. She has gone from playing it safe to learning how to make smart risk with her money. To start it off, Gian, no, so if you can talk more about ano ba yung ginagawa mo as yun nga, with the multiple income streams, can you ano ba yung content creation lang, other stuff?
So I've been doing a lot of creative things actually.
Okay.
Primarily, that is content creation for me. And I also do hosting. I also do
Nice.
events and live VOs.
Okay.
So VO talent as well as performing for private events. So I sing as well. And I also do talks.
So, full-time.
Na freelance. Yes.
So, pero with all of this na ginagawa mo, syempre super busy yan kasi ang dami mong, I know you have a lot of gigs. So, ayan. So, how did your relationship with from doing all of this, with your relationship with money and finances started?
Actually, when I was younger, medyo parang go lang kung ano na lang mangyari. Like, I don't really think about the next year or next month. But of course, as I grew older, I realized na with multiple income streams that I have, I have to be more intentional about kung saan ko sila ina-allocate, about budgeting, saving, and eventually investing. But as I journeyed yung adulthood, I started talaga na very risk averse.
So, yun, nakuha ko kanina, intentional.
Yeah.
So, you really have to be intentional in terms of really managing your finances. So, yun nga, madami kang income streams. So, how do you really manage it? So, sabi mo kanina na you're intentional in putting it in the different categories or so on.
With BPI, so I have 3 savings account.
Okay.
And one account is dun yung cash inflows and outflows. Kumbaga, when it comes to clients I work with, dun ko pinapa-transfer sa nila.
Okay.
And then the other account is for my savings, na do not touch account.
Okay.
So lahat ng hindi ko gagalawin na funds, nandun siya.
Okay.
Yes. And then, the other account, the third one, is for my giving.
Okay.
So it's important also for me personally that I also have that in my routine. Yun.
With all of this na meron kang system, meron kang different bank accounts, no? So, how do you handle it when it comes to managing that funds towards your goals? Or ano ba yung mga goals mo pa?
For my short-term goals, so kunyari for next year, I'm hoping to get myself a new laptop because my laptop has been like helping me with my work and how do I manage my finances this year so that I could help myself reach that goal for the next year. Meron ako spreadsheet. So I have a spreadsheet. I use this tracking na ilan pa yung kulang ko for that year.
Correct.
And that also helps me spend my money well. Spend it well, save it well, give it well, and invest it well.
Ayan. So, you mentioned din kanina na you started it off, in terms of investing, you started off as a risk averse. So hanggang ngayon ba, medyo risk averse pa rin or you're medyo exploring a little bit? Ayan.
When it comes to risk, hindi na ako ganun ka-averse as I used to be. I'm exploring right now, actually. What I realized kasi is, if I'm not willing to take a risk, I will also not be able to experience a possible gain. We also need to be educated and knowledgeable about what we're investing in. And I think what helps me ngayon as someone who explores investments, what helps me lessen yung pagiging risk-averse ko is knowing what I'm investing on and knowing who I am investing with.
Ayun.
And with BPI,
So,
that's
yes.
BPI for me.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, kailangan dapat alam mo yung magiging kapartner mo, no? Well, actually, Gian, in BPI, we have an investment fund, no? Or a unit investment trust fund na medyo on the little bit on the exploring side.
That's
Yeah,
good.
so medyo little bit moderately aggressive na, pero not that aggressive naman. Actually, ito medyo recent lang.
Okay.
It was released around 2 or 3 months ago. It's called the BPI Global Bond Income Fund. So the good thing about this, Gian, is that you get income on a monthly basis. And nakukuha mo yung expertise ng BPI Wealth and also a global fund manager.
Nice.
Ayan, which is PIMCO. It's global. Ayan. So you're getting the expertise of 2 fund managers, of well-renowned fund managers, BPI Wealth for here in the Philippines, and also PIMCO, managing your fund. Most of the funds are invested in bonds, no? So when you say bond funds, Gian, hindi siya naka-invest sa stocks, no? It's not invested in stocks, but it's a little bit higher compared to your mga short-term investments lang.
I actually want to try it now that we're talking. I think I want to work on it
Ayan.
ASAP. But
Yan,
it's really nice to hear that from you,
Correct.
JM. Kasi again, as I've said a while ago, it's important that we know who we're investing with, not just what we're investing on. So
Yes.
it's nice to know na, wow, okay, I'm sold.
So, in terms of your journey, what can you say to our mga ka-investees, no, in terms of how they should, yung mga magsisimula pa lang, how should they start their investment journey?
What is helping me right now is to talk to people, learn from their personal experience, learn from their expertise, explore options. It's more of about knowing ourselves also. I guess self-awareness plays a big role. Now, where are you at? And really admitting na, okay, di pa ako pala masyadong ready. And don't rush yourself into it. And yun nga, be open to learning from experiences, learning from stories, and keep doing your research. If you're already getting to know or exploring or trying to learn something new, you are at least a step closer to discovering what you really want.
Yeah, that's really good mo. Taking a step, one step
at a
lang,
time.
one step at a
Yeah.
time, yan. Simulan lang. Ayan. So, yun yung medyo kasi, na sa mga karamihan, no, na parang takot nga to make the one step forward.
Yes.
Ayan. So, baka pwede na. Unti-unti lang. Ayan, unti-unti lang. And then, yun nga, the things that I believe I've got from this is, first, intentional. Ang sabi mo, no? So, it's really, you need to have a purpose, kumbaga.
Yes.
Ayan, so investing with the purpose. Mga ka-investees, that's a wrap for today's episode. If you enjoyed this episode, hit subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Spotify. Just search Wealth Radio. Ayan. And if you're ready to level up your finances, i-invest mo na yan. Till next time, keep investing in yourself and in your future with a purpose. Catch you later. Bye, investees.
Bye, Beshies!